Fifth Union Creatives, customizing apparel. In this video, I'm showing you here, I'm unraveling a roll of DTF prints for a client of mine. I'm cutting out some label tags that I've placed on this gang sheet here, getting those out the way. Here's one of the prints for the customer, and I'm just going to go through the process here of pretty much cutting each one of these out. I like staying organized as I get these orders pushed out. I will tell you the quality of these transfers is amazing. You'll see towards the end of the video after pressing it. You know, I know these cameras don't do it justice, but it's pretty close to using plastisol heat transfers, screen print stuff. Really great quality. Colors are vibrant. Here I am on the heat press. I will put in the description the temperature and press time. I also use a press pillow. You can see it through the indentation up on the left side of the screen, that line there. I use a heat press for everything that I press, vinyl, everything. It just makes a big difference as far as I'm concerned. In my hand there, what you're seeing me use is a porcelain towel. That's to cool down the transfer, as these are cold peels. You can also use a little marble block. I've been using this piece of towel here for years. It does pick up the heat pretty quickly, and you know, because it is thin, that towel does get semi-hot. Here I am peeling it back. Confidence isn't all the way high, as this is my first time using DTF. I can reassure you though, I got it down now. Yeah, the quality is it's a really soft feel. You know, the way that I press them, because I use that heat press pillow, it's really in that garment. It's a really soft feel to it. Notice how vibrant these colors are. Did a wash test, came out great, still holding up, no cracks. But yeah, if you've got any questions, leave them down below in the comments section. Subscribe, like the video. That's it for now.